Hey, in this video, we're gonna look at some unique ideas for your coffee logo. So here is a very minimalist approach. And here we have some custom lettering, and here we have some display font with illustrations, and then we also have a very premium and luxurious look and feel. So find link in the description. Basically, I've put together a mood board on Behance. So let's look at the first example, which is Tikofi, which uses a very bold sans serif typeface. But what I really like about this logo is how they were able to use this cup of coffee symbol in the negative space inside the O right here. It's a subtle indication to what the company does, the products. Here is the explanation. I think it's just enough to make this otherwise simple word mark very original and creative at the same time. And if you combine this with appropriate color palette like cream, coffee, caramel, and matte black, it makes the whole brand identity, creates a very cohesive and coherent look and feel. Here are some more applications. So very well done in my opinion. Simple word mark, but works well with this color palette, and it works great on other applications as well. So now let's look at Etimo, which is a totally different approach. They created this custom lettering, which also links to the Bolivian culture, and they have this extra design element. Here are some other logo lookups, so we can use the first letter of the brand name. We have a stacked version, we have the brand mark, and I also like the color palette with this bright red, which makes it super distinct. Here are some social media posts. It all looks cohesive and coherent, and because they have this extra design element, it makes the whole packaging look more interesting as a whole. And here are some more applications, so also very well done. And now let's look at Brewist, which is yet a totally different design style. So we have this chunky display typeface, very bold, but at the same time they have those soft curves here. And what I really like is that they use a single color, but this character adds some personality to this brand. And as you can see, this is the primary illustration that can be used with the word mark, and other illustrations can be used on applications. Very well done as well. It's got some personality, but it's also clean and minimalist at the same time. And then we have this kind of a high-end premium look and feel. The name is Coco, and it's set in a serif typeface, and they use those earthy colors. This reminds me of a Chanel lockup double C, so it definitely can connect with the target audience that is into luxury brands like Coco Chanel, like Rolex and such, Mercedes. Here are some applications, and it works well for these brands. I like how they use the logo in a subtle way on the packaging. They maintain this minimalist, clean design, but at the same time, I believe it's very well executed, so you can see it for yourself. Just check link in the description. So at the end of the day, it all depends on what type of look and feel and what type of vibe you're trying to create. And if you're looking for a graphic designer to design your logo for your coffee brand or your coffee shop, and feel free to reach out, check out my work, and I will see you in the next video.